1. Firstly, get these aluminum rods installed to the lower brackets. Lengths of the aluminum rods are the same. To insert the flathead screws from the reverse side of the bracket, then tighten it with the aluminum rods. Three. Align the bracket with the original position. Make sure the bracket is placed on the correct position. 4. Mark the symbol at position which is 2.8 cm away from the joint. Five. Align the bracket with the symbol marked before. Align the installation position. And make sure it is placed on the correct position and then mark other symbols for further steps. Six. Wipe the installation position with adhesion promoter. Seven. Peel off the back film with a sharp blade quickly. 8. Be careful and patient. Find the correct position. Align one side first, then slowly press it in place. 9. After installation, repeatedly press the bracket with force to ensure it is firmly attached. Ten. Put on the side panels, then tighten the screw in the center position of the hole to distribute the force evenly. 11. Take out the small bracket. Match the installation position to make sure it is placed on the correct position and mark the symbols for further step. 12. Wipe the installation position with adhesion promoter. Thirteen. Peel off the back film with a sharp blade quickly. 14. Be careful and patient. Find the correct position. Align one side first, then slowly press it in place. After installation, repeatedly press the bracket with force to ensure it is firmly attached. Same installation steps for the reverse bracket. Wipe the installation position with adhesion promoter. 18. Peel off the back film with a sharp blade quickly. 19. Be careful and patient. Find out the correct position. Align one side first, then slowly press it in place. After installation, repeatedly press the bracket with force to ensure it is firmly attached. Loose the tighten screws first. Adjust the side panel to achieve the suitable position. 22. Tighten the screws from out to down. 1. Assemble the trunk shelf as shown in the video. 2. Two crossbars, double-sided with hoses installed on left and single-sided with hoses on right as video shows. 3. Crossbar single-sided with hose, the side with hose face downwards. Insert the screws. Do not tighten the screws right away. Make sure the screws are in the center position of the hole. 4. Crossbar double-sided with hose, one side with hose face downwards. Other side with holes face to trunk shelf holes. Ensure the holes are lined up with each other before tighten the screws. Five, crossbar double-sided with holes. One side with holes face down and the other side with holes face to trunk shelf holes. Ensure the holes are lined up with tighten all the screws before tighten the screws.